Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Faris bin Maaruf. Today I want to present about the background of company. Suntory is a company that acts as a global leader in both the alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverage industry and practice the unique of Japanese artisanship. It offers a wide range of products from premium spirit, bottled water, carbonate, soft drink, coffee and energy drink. Among the brands that are famous are Ribena, Boss Coffee and Almond Green Tea.
My name is Muhamad bin Murad. Now, I want to discuss about the implementation of sustainable activity in supply chain by the Suntory company. The implementation of sustainable activity adopted in the supply chain system by the Suntory company is container and packaging. Almost all container and packaging material used by this company are plastic. However, pollution caused by improper handling of used plastic has become a major social issue. Suntory company are united in dealing with the plastic issue and see this issue as an urgent issue that should be taken initiative to deal with it. There are 4 ways of implementing sustainable activity for container and packaging carried out by the Suntory company. First is recycle and renewable. Suntory aim to switch all the PET bottle used globally for Suntory product to be made of recycled or plant-based material by 2030, achieving zero use of virgin petroleum-based materials. Second, reduce and replacement. In order to efficiently use resource, decrease the amount of plastic used by altering the packing and container design, and looking into the development of substitute container that do not harm the environment. Third, innovation. Actively support the development of new product and techniques that increase the recycle. And lastly is new behavior. Promote activity that drive change in consumer behavior. Each Suntory employee will work to change their lifestyle, promote sorting and collection, and actively participate in social contribution activities such as cleaning up river and beaches.
I am Samsul Amri. I will present about the impact of adopting sustainable supply chains. The first one is supply chains operation. Company have set the target with supplier, recycling and maximizing the operation by using effectively use of waters, containers and other resources essential to the high quality products. Number 2 is branding. Consumers are more concerned than ever about where product come from and how they are produced. Ribena using 100% sustainable material that is PET bottle. It can be reduced, recycled and reused. The third is corporate culture. Institutional investors are keenly aware of the reputational risk of unsustainable supply chains operations. Limitation to the organization. The first one is cost. Primary impediment to sustainable supply chains, with company finding it difficult to afford the upfront cost of making a supply chains more sustainable. Number 2 is innovation. The research and development to create innovation that able to reduce the cost of operations by adding the sustainability in all operations that involve.
One of the problem is in terms of environment. For example, water shortage, land use issues, toxic waste, water pollution, deforestation, air quality and energy use are the example of environment impact in the supply chain other than greenhouse gas emission. Next, in terms of economy, when the profit margins are under pressure, the cost also rise throughout the supply chain network. For example, rising price of food to transport goods by road, sea or air, increasing commodity price raise the cost of raw material, and higher labor costs from supplier and manufacturer. Lastly, in terms of social impact, for example, human rights violations such as child labor, child that age below 15, forced labor, migrant trade and keep illegally or paid at the cheapest price, health and safety, inadequate procedure for dealing with any potential emergencies.
Facilitation is collaboration with sustainable supplier. There will be various requirements that company can make that place in choosing a supplier. Then implement an ISO standard in picking supplier to screen with a company that fulfills sustainability requirements. Next, set sustainable target. Monitor supplier performance by setting an objective. Then everyone needs to be involved to understand the value of sustainability. Lastly, implement a cleaner production. Propose a reward given if recycle being done, as for example, getting a discount on the next purchase, energy saving such as electricity and water consumption saving, and reduce the carbon emission. Lastly, promote an eco-driving practice among truck drivers, as example, accelerate gently and optimize routing.